Hi dear students, welcome to our physics class. Chapter 1, Effects of Electric Current. Today we discuss the topic Lighting Effects of Electric Current. This topic includes incandescent lamps, discharge lamps and LED. LED are discussing in the next class. In this class we discuss on incandescent lamps and discharge lamps. Welcome to our class. This is the picture of an incandescent lamp. What are the main parts of an incandescent lamp? Glass cover, copper wire, tungsten filament. It is a sure one-word question. What are the main parts of an incandescent lamp? Glass cover, copper wire, tungsten filament. See. This is tungsten filament. It is very thin and coiled. Tungsten filament is very thin and coiled. Its name is tungsten filament. In this figure we can see the tungsten filament is heated. At that time the color is changed. What is incandescence? Incandescence is the property of the material to emit white light. വൈറ്റ് ലൈറ്റ് എമിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുവാനുള്ള ഒരു മെറ്റീരിയലിനുള്ള കപ്പാസിറ്റിക്കാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇൻകാൻഡസെൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇൻകാൻഡസെൻസ് ഈസ് ദ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ഓഫ് ദി മെറ്റീരിയൽ ടു എമിറ്റ് ലൈറ്റ് വെൻ ഹീറ്റഡ്. ഇൻകാൻഡസെൻസ് മീൻസ് ഗ്ലോയിങ് വിത്ത് ഹീറ്റ്. ഇൻകാൻഡസെൻസ് മീൻസ് glowing with heat. It is also a one-word question. Thoroughly studied this. What is it? It is tungsten filament. Filament made of the metal tungsten. Filaments made of the metal. Which metal? Tungsten. It is a one-word question. What are the advantages of tungsten? High resistivity, high melting point, high ductility, ability to emit white light in white hot condition. High resistivity we know, high melting point above 3000. High ductility. What is meant by ductility? ഒരു വസ്തുവിനെ അടിച്ചു പരത്തി നമുക്ക് ഏറ്റവും തിന്നായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് വലിച്ചു നീട്ടാനുള്ള കഴിവിനാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് ഡക്റ്റിലിറ്റി. ആ ഒരു കഴിവ് ടങ്സ്റ്റൺ ഉള്ളത് കൊണ്ടാണ് നമുക്ക് തിൻ കോയിലായിട്ട് നമുക്കതിനെ എടുക്കുവാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കുന്നത്. ദെൻ എബിലിറ്റി ടു എമിറ്റ് വൈറ്റ് ലൈറ്റ് ഇൻ വൈറ്റ് ഹോട്ട് കണ്ടീഷൻ. ഹിയർ ദ ഡിഫറൻസ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ടങ്സ്റ്റൺ ആൻഡ് നിക്രോം. നിക്രോം ഹാസ് ഓൺലി ദ കണ്ടീഷൻ റെഡ് ഹോട്ട് കണ്ടീഷൻ, ഹിയർ വൈറ്റ് ഹോട്ട് കണ്ടീഷൻ. Why is the bulb filled with an inert gas or nitrogen? Here one question is hidden. Filament bulb is filled with dash. Inert gas or nitrogen? Answer is inert gas or nitrogen. That means filament bulb is filled with an inert gas or nitrogen. We know inert gases. For one reason, why is the bulb filled with an inert gas or nitrogen? To prevent the vaporization of filament. To prevent the vaporization of filament. When the bulb is heated, there is a chance for vaporization. So, at that time, the filament may be broken. So, to prevent the vaporization of filament, inert gas or nitrogen is used. What happens if the interior of the bulb is not evacuated? What happens? The interior of the bulb is evacuated to prevent the oxidation of filament. We know the filament is tungsten. It is a metal. So, there is a chance for oxidation when vapor or air is oxygen is in contact with the filament. So, we use the interior of the bulb is evacuated. That means evacuated means ബൾബിൻ്റെ അകവശം നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് വായു വിമുക്തമാക്കുന്നു. വായുവിനെ അതിൽ നിന്ന് വലിച്ചു കളയുന്നു. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ്? എയറിനകത്ത് ഓക്സിജൻ ഉണ്ട്. ഓക്സിജൻ ഉള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അത് എന്തിനുള്ള ചാൻസ് ഉണ്ട്? അവിടെ ഓക്സിഡേഷൻ സംഭവിക്കുവാനും ഓക്സിഡേഷൻ്റെ ഫലമായിട്ട് ഫിലമെൻറ്റ് ഡാമേജ് ആയി പോകുവാനുമുള്ള സാധ്യതയുണ്ട്. സോ ദി ഇൻറ്റീരിയർ ഓഫ് ദി ബൾബ് ഈസ് ഇവാക്യുവേറ്റഡ് ടു പ്രിവെൻറ്റ് ദ oxidation of filament. Because when the tungsten comes in contact with the air or oxygen in the heated condition, then it undergoes oxidation. When the tungsten comes in contact with the air in the heated condition, ടങ്സ്റ്റൺ എന്ന മെറ്റൽ എയറുമായിട്ട് കോണ്ടാക്റ്റിൽ വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ എയറിൽ ഓക്സിജൻ ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് അവിടെ ഓക്സിഡേഷൻ സംഭവിക്കാനുള്ള സാധ്യത ഉണ്ട്. So the interior of the bulb is evacuated. Okay. What are the major disadvantages of incandescent lamp? We know major part of electrical energy is lost as heat. നമുക്ക് ബൾബിനെ തൊട്ട് നോക്കിയാൽ അറിയാം വളരെ ചൂടായിട്ട് വരുന്നതായിട്ട് കാണാം അല്ലേ. Here electrical energy is converted into light energy and heat energy. But in the case of bulb, we want only light energy, no use for heat energy. But here most of the part of electrical energy is lost as heat. There is a one disadvantage. Next one is less efficiency. It has less efficiency. That are the two disadvantages of incandescent lamp. For rectifying the disadvantages of filament bulb, that is incandescent bulb, many other bulbs are now discovered. Write down the names of 4 types of lamps working on the lighting effects of electricity. We know discharge lamp, fluorescent lamp, LED and arc lamp. Mainly we can study in our topic discharge lamp and LED. Fluorescent lamp also we just noticed. Okay, next come to discharge lamp. In this discharge lamp, we see a glass tube fitted with 2 electrodes in the 2 ends. Discharge lamps are glass tubes fitted with 2 electrodes. They emit light as a result of discharge of electricity through the gases filled in tubes. In this discharge lamp, there is a glass tube, 2 electrodes in the 2 ends of the glass tube. Also, some gases are filled in this. For what purpose gases are filled? For giving various colors for discharge lamp. We are giving gases for this. Let's see the figure of discharge lamp. Do you see this type of yellow colored light? That is sodium vapor lamp. It is a type of discharge lamp. Here sodium is used as gas, so its name is sodium vapor lamp. What are the functions of a discharge lamp, or how a discharge lamp works? Voltage is applied across the electrode. We know in a discharge lamp, the 2 ends of the glass tube, 2 electrodes are fitting. There is a voltage applied across the electrode. When we switch on the plug, the voltage applied across the electrode. Ionization of gas molecules occurred. When voltage is applied across the electrode, there is ionization of gas molecules. We know gases are filled in this, so the gas molecules are ionized. It is converted into ions. Then ionized gas molecules collide with unionized gas molecules. Here ionized gas molecules and unionized gas molecules are also. After the collision of ionized and unionized gas molecules, unionized gas molecules gain energy in the collision and reach excited state. Unionized gas molecules gain energy and reach the excited state. Then these excited molecules will attain stable state by releasing energy in the form of light. That means when the unionized gas molecules are in the excited state, they are unstable. They are working for attain stability. For this, the excited molecules attain stable by releasing energy. This energy is in the form of light. Depends on the gas use, the color of the bulb changes. When we use chlorine, we get green color. When we use hydrogen, we got blue color. Sodium vapor, yellow color. What are the advantages of discharge lamp instead of incandescent lamp? Loss of electricity in the form of heat is less than incandescent lamp. More lifespan and no shadow formation. There is a demerits of incandescent lamp, there is a shadow formation. Here more lifespan and no shadow formation. More light is obtained. Less consumption of electricity. That are the advantages. Next, fluorescent lamp. It is also considered in the discharge lamp. Fluorescent lamps we know, that is tube light. Also compact fluorescent lamp, that is CFL. Fluorescent lamp is coated with fluorescent material. It has heating coil at two sides like discharge lamps. കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ ട്യൂബ് ലൈറ്റിൻ്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും ഹീറ്റിംഗ് കോയിൽ ഉള്ളത് കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഹീറ്റിംഗ് കോയിൽ ഈസ് കോട്ടഡ് വിത്ത് തോറിയം ഓക്സൈഡ്. Heating coil is coated with which? Thorium oxide. Inside the tube there is mercury vapor. There is also a one-word questions. How fluorescent lamp works? Current flows through the heating coil. It gets heated and electrons are emitted. The emitted electrons collide with the mercury atom. As a result of this, ultraviolet rays are emitted. Which rays? Ultraviolet rays are emitted by the collision of emitted electrons and mercury atoms in the tube. These rays are absorbed by fluorescent material coated inside the tube and changes it into visible light. This is the working of fluorescent lamp. Fluorescent lamp is also included in discharge lamp. What are the advantages of fluorescent lamp over incandescent lamp? Saves electrical energy to a greater extent because less heat energy is produced. The inconvenience caused by shadow is minimized. Less shadow. The lifespan of fluorescent lamp is about 5 times that of incandescent lamps. Incandescent ലാമ്പിനേക്കാളും 5 മടങ്ങ് അതിൻ്റെ ലൈഫ് സ്പാൻ കൂടുതലാണ്. Find out the odd one from the following. Also write the reason. Long glass tube, mercury vapor, fluorescent coating, thin tungsten filament. We know thin tungsten filament is in the incandescent bulb. Others are the parts of fluorescent lamp. Okay. Using the relation from the first pair, complete the other. Fuse wire we already studied low melting point. Tungsten high melting point. There is a one-word question for all SLC examinations. What is the color of the light emitted by discharge lamp filled with nitrogen when it works? Nitrogen we know given red color. Other types of gases and colors are asked in the examination. What are the factors to be considered when you select a bulb? Efficiency, energy consumption, low energy loss, less environmental pollution. Study this. Then we can notice that once more discharge lamp. When a discharge lamp is connected to a source of electricity, the gas in between the electrodes gets ionized due to the applied potential difference, that is voltage. Ionized atoms move at high speed and collide with unionized atoms. Among the excited them to higher energy state. Which is excited to higher energy state? Unionized atoms excited to the higher energy state. Excited unionized atoms come back to their original states for attaining stability. During this process, the energy stored in them will be radiated as light. The color of the light depends on the gas inside the discharge lamp. When exam point of view, you write this is the answer for discharge lamp for 3 marks or 4 mark questions. Depending on the difference in the energy levels, lights of different colors and other radiations are emitted. Let's notice demerits of fluorescent lamp and CFL. What is CFL? CFL means compact fluorescent lamp. It is a modified form of fluorescent lamp. That is compact fluorescent lamp. Both fluorescent lamps and CFL contains mercury vapor and fluorescent material, which is harmful to the environment. Which is the main demerits of fluorescent lamp and CFL. Both includes mercury vapor and fluorescent materials which are harmful to the environment. Okay. What are the advantages of using discharge lamps instead of incandescent lamps? Loss of electricity in the form of heat is less. More lifespan. No shadow formation. More light is obtained. It is a 2-mark question for SLC examination. What are the advantages of using discharge lamps instead of incandescent lamps? Loss of electricity in the form of heat is less. More lifespan. No shadow formation. More light is obtained. Study well. What are the advantages of using tungsten as a filament? It is a revision topic. High resistivity, high melting point, high ductility, ability to emit white light in the white hot conditions. Do you understand incandescent lamps and discharge lamps? Study well. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Watch the class more times and study well.